Hi, this is Mike from Colorado Game Coders. This is another video on Blender. This happens to be Blender 3. Um, I think I'm calling this channel something like Blender for Mistake Makers because I'm always making mistakes. So here's a mistake you can make. You got this nice model, so you're going to bring it into your game engine, and you're going to want to have the origin for this wheel centered. As it is now, it's centered in the middle of the car. The problem with that is that when you rotate it around X, it looks terrible. Same thing with rotating it around Z. Not so good. So what we're going to do is we'll go to Object, set Origin to Geometry, or you could say Origin to Center of Mass. Either of these will work. It'll be close enough. Now, this one particularly has a rotation around Z of not 20. So now let's rotate it to where it should be. So now we can go back and forth, steer the thing. It's going to look pretty good. If we rotate X, it'll be proper. So RX you could do out here as well. And yeah, and this location now is good for this model. Rotation, if you want to, you can set everything to 0. That's up to you. Command A, you could say not all transforms because we want the location to be where it is. But say rotation and scale, everything's 0 and 1. I kind of like to have it offset a little bit. And that might look a little more natural in the game. So anyways, there you go. That's it. Should work fine.